Zohra, a person with physical disability, is moving ahead, overcoming all the difficulties she has faced since her birth.
I was born with physical disabilities in my hands and legs. My mother took me to enroll me at school when I was 4.5 years old.
People have passed different types of negative comments. Some even questioned why our disabled girl was admitted to the school, and many said we would not be able to afford her education and arrange the marriage for her. But we didn't listen to what people said. I worked in different houses outside, and her father also sold jhalmuri. We never stopped to support her education.
Her family has experienced extreme poverty and difficult times, but Zohra never gave up.
I got admitted into the degree course and alongside started to prepare for finding a job. I received skills development training on career planning supported by Site Savers. From there, I learned how to prepare a CV to find a job. I applied for jobs in 3 different organizations and joined in an organization. When I had just started working there, coronavirus began to spread all over the country. I lost my job. My father, who is a street hawker, used to sell jhalmuri, a popular street snack, in schools and colleges. Since all the schools and colleges have now closed due to coronavirus, my father has stopped earning any.
Due to the coronavirus pandemic, I ended up becoming burdened with some heavy loans, as I cannot sell jhalmuri. I'm facing a very difficult time and can't afford to provide my family with 3 meals a day.
COVID-19 is having a devastating impact on Bangladesh, especially on people with disabilities, hunger, malnutrition, and many of the socioeconomic problems that Bangladesh has made great progress in addressing and now worsening due to COVID-19. People with disabilities are among the people worst affected by COVID-19 in Bangladesh. It is not only Zohra who lost her job due to the ongoing pandemic. There are hundreds of thousands more people with disabilities who are facing similar hardships.
Now all I just want is to get a decent job and contribute to my family.
The Inclusion Works program, as part of the Inclusive Futures Initiative, is identifying innovative ways to create enhanced access to formal employment and skills development for people with disabilities in low and middle income settings. Site Savers, leading a consortium of international organizations, is implementing this program in Bangladesh, Nigeria, Kenya, and Uganda with funding from UK Aid. Our goal is to ensure opportunities for people with disabilities and a future that is disability inclusive. The specific objective is to create job opportunities in formal employment for persons with disabilities, and organizations of people with disabilities are working as key partners for the Inclusion Works program by identifying potential job seekers with disabilities and assessing the impact of COVID-19 on the people with disabilities.
Spandon is an organization of people with disabilities, implementing the Inclusion Works program in Narshindi. People with disabilities are suffering the most from the COVID-19 pandemic. We have seen many persons with disabilities have lost their jobs in Narshindi, as many factories have shut down.
Inclusion Works program is also helping people with disabilities to find jobs through providing various types of skills, support, and engaging them with potential employers. The Inclusion Works program is working to achieve 3 main advocacy outcomes: implementation of the 8-year National Action Plan on Disability in project districts, making skills development centers more inclusive for people with disabilities, and capacitating the organizations of the people with disabilities and the members for skills to advocate for employment rights of people with disabilities. The impact of COVID-19 has been extremely adverse on Zohra Akhtar, like other people with disabilities in Bangladesh. Though Zohra was supposed to contribute to her family, now COVID-19 has put her world upside down. Now to build back better and inclusively from COVID-19, let us work together for disability inclusion in formal employment and inclusive economic recovery, strengthen social protection for people with disabilities and accessible skills development centers.